As I work away here in my apartment in Liverpool, I want to ask you this question. What steps are you actually taking to turn your dreams into reality? You know, you have a vision of what you want your life to be, what you want your life experience to be. But what actions are you actually taking to make that your reality? You know, are you just saying you want this, you want that, that's what you'd love to happen, that'd be your dream? But you actually take any action to make it happen, because without action, nothing changes. You can have all the vision you want, you can have all the affirmations you want, you can put out all the intentions you want, you can do all the stuff like the book The Secret says, but if you don't take action, nothing's going to happen. It's like me living here. You know, I decided I want to live in Liverpool. I had to take action to make it happen. Now I'm here. Again, wonderful views. 8th floor apartment, because again, I wanted to have some views. I made it happen. Everything you want in life, you have to take action to make it happen. Like last week when I went to Liverpool win the championship and being in the stadium and all the parade and everything, I made it happen. Everything in life, it's up to you. What action are you going to take today?